For generations, the sea has defined our stories in Tarangambadi. Today, our story is changing. The fish are vanishing, threatening our future. In 20 years, the fish that once filled our nets have collapsed. This decline is driven by high profits from fish waste industries, leading to even the smallest fish being caught. Large industrial boats use massive nets, wiping out entire schools of fish. This creates inequality, violating SDG 14 and SDG 10. As one fisherman shared, when you trap a school of fish, you erase its future. Our team, including Oliver, Balaguru, Naveen, Navin, and Shimanuddin, researched. We confirmed that unsustainable fishing is destroying our marine ecosystem and livelihoods. We propose solutions for our dying sea, ensuring a sustainable future for Tarangambadi.
But we are not just here to highlight the problem of overfishing, which significantly impacts marine ecosystems and food security. We are here with a comprehensive solution. We propose a robust 5-pillar action plan designed to combat this critical global issue effectively. First, we must ban the destructive fly-mesh nets, which indiscriminately capture juvenile fish and non-target species, preventing them from reaching maturity. This crucial step is essential to protect vulnerable juvenile fish populations and promote biodiversity, ensuring the long-term health of our marine ecosystems. Second, we must provide real support to small-scale fishermen who often face economic hardships. This includes offering low-interest loans, providing essential fuel subsidies, and developing alternative income sources through training and diversification programs. Empowering these communities is vital for sustainable livelihoods. Third, we must empower our community through comprehensive workshops focused on sustainable fishing practices and marine biodiversity. Education can raise awareness about the impacts of overfishing and promote responsible seafood consumption choices, fostering a sense of stewardship for our oceans. Fourth, we need to establish protected ocean areas, known as marine protected areas, especially during critical breeding seasons. These zones, guided by scientific data, allow marine environments to rebuild and remain pristine, enhancing the sustainability of fisheries through additional layers of protection. And fifth, we must partner with NGOs and UN agencies to ensure fish waste is managed responsibly. This prevents pollution and promotes a circular economy by transforming waste into valuable resources, such as enzymes and biopolymers, rather than driving further overfishing. By implementing this comprehensive 5-pillar action strategy, we can effectively protect marine ecosystems, ensure the recovery of fish populations, and secure a sustainable future for fisheries and the millions who depend on them. This multifaceted approach is crucial for the health of our oceans.
This carefully considered plan is designed to revive marine life, ensuring a fair and sustainable income for our dedicated fishermen. It promises a robust and sustainable coastal economy, fostering a community that is deeply united in its commitment to protecting our precious ocean for future generations. This initiative is not just a plan. It is a tangible demonstration of true SDG-aligned development. The ocean is the very essence of life. Without its health and vitality, we risk losing our future. We firmly believe that by seamlessly combining sustainability with principles of equality, we can collectively build a Viksit Bharat. This is a nation where nature thrives in all its splendor and people prosper. We invite you to join us in making this ambitious vision a tangible reality. Your support and participation are invaluable as we embark on this journey together. Let's work hand in hand to protect our oceans and build a sustainable future for all. Thank you for your support and consideration.